In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Talkie AI not working. We'll start simple and work our way to the most effective fixes. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI and press enter. From the results, click the official Talkie AI website to open it. If the page isn't loading correctly or features aren't responding, the first thing to rule out is a service outage on their end. Open a new tab and search for Talkie server status. Check a reliable status page or the service's official updates. If there's an outage reported, the issue isn't on your device and it usually resolves once the service is back online. If everything looks normal and there's no outage reported, let's move on to your browser, since extensions and cached data often cause web apps to misbehave. Here's another thing we can do. Focus on your browser's settings and environment to remove possible conflicts. At the top right of your browser, click the three dots to open the main menu. Choose Settings. Once you're in Settings, go to Extensions. Temporarily turn off extensions you don't need. Tools that block ads, scripts, pop-ups, or modify network traffic can interfere with apps like Talkie AI. Disable them for now to test. You can always re-enable them later, and this quick toggle is a safe way to isolate whether an extension is the cause. You can also try cleaning your browser to clear out broken or outdated files. Still in Settings, open Privacy and Security. Select Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time so the cleanup includes older cached items that might be clashing with Talkie AI. Then confirm by choosing to delete from this device. This removes cached files and cookies that can corrupt sessions or block new content from loading properly. Keep in mind that clearing data will sign you out of most websites, so make sure you're comfortable with that before you proceed and that you know your logins. After you've checked for an outage, disabled unnecessary extensions, and cleared your browsing data with the time range set to all time and the deletion applied to this device, you've covered the most common causes of Talkie AI not working in the browser. These steps help ensure you're loading a fresh, conflict-free version of the site. If the problem persists after this sequence and there's still no reported outage, the issue may be temporary on the service side and typically resolves shortly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get Talkie AI working smoothly again.